Chicken and mutton will be failed in front of this amazing dal. Trust me, try this dal with this secret ingredient and see the magic. So let's get started. Add half cup of oil into the pressure cooker. Let's oil heats up. Then add few whole spices like green cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon stick, clove, etc. Now add 2 medium-sized sliced onion. Saute it well till it turns into a light golden color. Don't burn it or don't turn into a dark golden color. Then add 2 medium-sized tomato and saute it well till it becomes softened. With this measurement cup, I have taken 1 cup split chickpeas, that is chana dal, which I have washed and soaked into the water for around 1 hour. Same here, I have taken red lentils which I have soaked into the water. Add this as well. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic chili paste. If you have only ginger garlic paste, add 2 tablespoons and according to your taste, add green chilies to it. And do watch my ginger garlic paste recipe, don't miss it. I have added some special things to it which will enhance the taste of your recipe. So don't miss it, must watch. You will get the link in the description. Now add few powdered masala like 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 3 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Add salt as per taste. Half teaspoon chaat masala powder, half teaspoon amchur powder. Add fenugreek leaves and also coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Stir all this thing well. Now add 3 times as much as water as the pulses. Here I am showing you the main and secret ingredient of dal which take this recipe to the next level. Take 1 clean cotton cloth, add 1 handful of coriander seed and 1 handful of fresh curry leaves and make 1 potli out of it and put this into the dal and then see its magic. You must try this, I am sure you will love it, and then leave your comment. Now close its lid and cook it on medium flame for 10 minutes or else wait for 3 whistles. If you want, you could add bottle gourd to it, and if you are adding bottle gourd to it, add it later, not now. Because if you'll add it with the pulses, it will become too softened that it will be disappear. So add it later. First let the pulses cook nicely. Meanwhile, cut the bottle gourd and dip into the water, otherwise it will become black due to oxidation. Then peel its skin and de-seed it. When the dal will be nicely cooked, then add bottle gourd to it. Just cover its lid and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. It will get done nicely. Don't pressure cook, just cover and cook. After 10 minutes, when bottle gourd will be nicely done, remove this secret ingredient. Now squeeze 1 lemon to it. Now I am going to temper few ingredients to pour into the dal. Add 3 tablespoon ghee. You could add oil as well. Let the oil heats up nicely. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin, few curry leaves, add 4 to 5 crushed garlic clove. Then add chilies according to your taste like green chilies, dry red chili or button red chili. I am using all 3 of them and give a nice tadka to it. Now it's done and ready. Now do the plating. Trust me, try this, you won't forget its taste. Enjoy this with steamed rice or rotis or chapatis. Do try this and comment below. See you soon.